Dude, it's running pretty good. I just did a test hit.
Oh, shit.
Let me just say it's repping.
That's good. It's good, yeah. It's good, yeah.
You know who owns this hellcat?
Honestly, I don't know.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
I just got a work truck.
I seen your truck.
Nah,
Yeah.
she's alright.
We could roll.
Alright, cool.
Good?
Yeah, you wanna go now? Yeah, fuck it.
Fuck!
No, my motor just blew.